Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Roshade for Roblox. Before we started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. So as you can see, I'm here on my desktop. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is open up our internet browser. So it doesn't matter what browser you use. I prefer to use Google Chrome, but what you want to do is come across to google.com and into the search box, just go ahead and type Roshade. Now you can also come across to the website directly, which is just roshade.com, but from here you want to click onto the top one, which is roshade.com. Next, what you want to do is you'll see the download button if they have changed it since this video and it's not showing at the top. You can see the download link here, so just go ahead and give it a click and that's going to take you across the page like this. So you can see there's two options available. It's a pro version and a light version. So if you do want to help support the creators, then you can go for the pro version. There's a bit of a monthly fee that you have to pay and you just get a few more different effects, but for the purpose of this tutorial I'm going to go for the light version, which is free, and all you want to do is click the download button, and as you can see you get a quick pop-up message that says, by pressing download you agree to watch a 6-second ad and accept our terms and conditions. So click download, and what's going to happen, it's going to basically bring up a little ad for you, and if you're looking up the top right hand corner up here, it says please wait, and we're just going to wait for that to count down, and then you can click the skip button up here. So once you click that, it's going to start downloading Roshade automatically. Now you can see that's here. If you don't see, go into your downloads folder, you will see the setup for Roshade. So what you want to do is then run the setup program. So I'm going to click on that to start running it, and all you want to do is click onto install, and as you can see it's going to take the keybinds. Say for example for this one it's F8 to toggle that shaders on and off, and if you want to open or close the Roshade panel just press F7. So this is the key button, so the keys you have to press to actually activate those. Once that's done, go ahead and click next, and then you can choose which presets you want to install. It's going to give you a preview of each one when you actually hover over there. So you've got for example like glossy, very glossy, and then for the Roshade you got different Roshade there. And once that's done, just click install down here. You'll see it's just going to take a minute to run through, and basically it's going to download and install everything on your system. So this process doesn't take too long. It just takes a few minutes, and when you got the free ticks next to each one, just go ahead and click next, and you'll see that's now finished and Roshade is installed. So you can click close and follow, and the next time you play Roblox you'll be able to use the Roshade program. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.